Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to do a lipstick challenge. I will do my whole face using only lipsticks and let's see I can achieve this challenge or no. And we will take it in a fun task, and yes, you can use lipstick at your whole face. So I will show you how you can use it and we will just enjoy this video and we will have fun together. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so first lipstick which I'm using for just covering my under eyes, I have just done a foundation on my face, nothing else. So for the under eye, for covering my under eye, I'm using an orange lipstick. So you can also use an orange lipstick for covering an under eye if you don't have a orange corrector which will help you to cover the dark circles. So I'm using this orange lipstick from Kiko. You can see. Okay guys, so I'm using this orange lipstick to cover my dark circles. So let's see. So I'm just dabbing it, and this orange corrector really helps to cover your dark circles. So you just have to dab it. You can see how I'm doing. Just have to dab it. So this will really help you to cover your dark circles. If you don't have orange corrector, you can use an orange lipstick to correct your to cover your dark circles. I'm just dabbing it, and now I will just blend this properly. You have to blend it proper. You have to do it very fast because lipstick we are using lipstick, so it will set. So because of that reason, you have to blend it properly and very fast you have to do it. You can see. So guys, you can see I have just covered my dark circles using an orange lipstick. Now I will just use a compact powder. I'm using this MAC Studio Fix, and I'll just dab it on where I have used my lipstick. So I'll just dab it on this and we'll lock our look with this. You can use a loose powder also if you have a loose powder or any compact powder. So I'm just taking and dabbing it on my skin under my around my dark circles. You can see guys, we have just covered our dark circles with the lipstick, and this is just a fun if you don't have any makeup and you have to do makeup and you just have lipsticks, so you can do your makeup with lipsticks also. So I'm just showing you how to do it. You can see we have just covered our dark circles with the lipstick. Now what we will do is we have to do a contour. So for contouring, I have two shades. You can take any brown shade similar to your face or something. So I have this two shades of Nykaa. One is Mona Lisa and one is Next Level Nude. So I'm taking this Next Level Nude. You can see I'm taking this shade and I'll just contour my face using this lipstick. You have to do it with very light hands. You can see guys, I'm just contouring it with my lipstick. Now you have to blend it properly. Whenever you are using lipstick, you have to be very quick because it sets very fast. So I'm just blending it. You can see guys, we have just blended this, and now I'll do it on my other side also. And if you want, you can apply more. If you have to do a very dark contour, then you can apply more lipstick. You can see guys, we have just contoured using a lipstick. After that, we are doing blush. For blush, you can take any pink shade whichever is available with you, or you can take the shade with which we have contoured also, but I am taking a pink shade for a blush. So I am taking this Sports Girl Pout About Me lipstick. You can see it's a very hot pink color. I will just use this color to just to buy blush, and everyone knows that the lipstick can be used as a blush also. So I'm using this shade to do blush on my face. So I'll just dab it like that. You can see guys, I've just done it like that, and now I'll just blend it properly so it looks better. Lipsticks are really very good as a blush. You can use them because the shades, you can see it really looks very nice. You can see my face. It's worth trying. You should give it a try. After we are done with this, now I'll apply a liner using a lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick, the Chambord Transfer Proof lipstick, and I'll apply liner using this. You have to take this and then you have to just do it like that. You can see. You can see guys. And after that, I have to bring it inside. You can see guys, my eye is ready. Using only lipstick I have done this liner. Whenever you are doing a liner, you need a liquid lipstick so that it will be easy for you, and the applicator will really help you to do the liner the way I have done it, because the color trend is going too much now. And if you have any lipstick, so you can use that and you can do your colored liner also. So now I'll do it on the second side also. You just have to create one line. You can see I've just done that, and after that you have to take this portion and then done. It's very easy guys. You can do it very easily. So you can see guys, we have done a liner using a lipstick, and it's very easy to do it, and it's really fun doing this. And after that, actually I forgot to do the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, you can take this shade only if you want, or you can skip this step also. So I will just apply this lipstick and I'll do my eyeshadow. I'll just dab it. If you'll do this before, that would be good. I just forgot it, that's what I'm doing now. Just blend it properly. You have to be real quick when you're using lipsticks because it sets very quickly. So I'm using this lipstick only again, and I'll just do my waterline with this. So you have to be very careful whenever you are doing this. So I'll just take this. So I'm just taking this and I'll just do my waterline with this. You have to be really very careful whenever you are doing your waterline with this. You can see guys, it's very easy to do it and it's very fun also doing this. So I'm doing my next eye also. So our waterline is done using only this lipstick, and you can use this lipstick as a mascara also. So I'm using only this liquid lipstick and I'll apply mascara using this lipstick. I'll show you how to do it. So I'm taking this lipstick. I'm taking a wand of my mascara. if you have any wand which is which your like mascara is over, so you can take that wand. I'm taking this wand and I'll just take my this wand of lipstick and I'll add color on this. You can see I've added color on this, and after that I'll just apply mascara using this wand. So the color will be transferred on this. So guys, you can see we have using lipstick, we have done a blush, a contouring, a eyeliner, a kajal, a mascara. It's very fun doing this and you will really enjoy doing it. Just try it once. So now we will use the lipstick as a lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick for my lips and will apply very light lipstick because I have done whole full face only pink lipstick, you can see. So I'll apply this lipstick now. Done with the makeup and we have used only lipstick for contouring, for a dark circles, everything, and this really looks very good. You can see my face, I have used only lipstick and I really enjoyed doing this. So you can also try it and tag me. I'll just leave my Instagram handle in the description below so that you can tag me if you're trying this look. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy.